Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up HighLevel calendar bookings into CSV step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your HighLevel account. Navigate to the dashboard on the left side of the screen. Click on the Calendars option to access your calendar bookings. Select the specific calendar you wish to back up. Once the calendar loads, locate the Settings icon in the corner. Click on the Settings icon to reveal additional options. Look for the Export option available in the Settings menu. Select the option that allows you to export bookings. You may be prompted to choose the format for export. Choose CSV as your preferred export format. Confirm your selection to proceed with the export. The system will begin preparing your calendar data. Once the export is complete, a download link will appear. Click on the download link to save the CSV file to your device. Check your device's default downloads folder for the file. Open the CSV file to ensure your bookings are correctly recorded. Review the data structure for clarity and completeness. You have successfully backed up your HighLevel calendar bookings into CSV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.